Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today, we're looking at the MapleStory PPT Baam game. Let's check it out. The MapleStory PowerPoint game is made by Steve Marty of the Weigook Forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable copy of the game. MapleStory is a very popular game in Korea, and instead of the normal letters or numbers that you have to choose from to go to a question in the home screen, you've got to go to different areas on the map. So let's go to Pine Island. So here, answer a question, you get the question correct. You can then go to a point screen. Now, often in this game, there's an additional screen after that could be good or bad. So special events are often included. To go home, click on the mushroom. There are also different special events that involve teams. So let's check that out. So here, you can choose a team to fight the monster with you, and they give different sorts of endings and events. So your teams could both get some points, or the other team could betray you and steal your points, or they could switch points with you. It's a cool, different, new dynamic that I like with this game.
Yay!
And there are multiple maps, and to go to different maps, once you've finished all these selections, you click on the compass. Well, that was our PowerPoint walkthrough of the MapleStory adventure game. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and go to the links below to get your free PPT copy. Bye bye.